back to Cake Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making instant burger for Ramadan. So let's get started. First of all, we will fry Sophie burger patties. Fry until it turns golden. Now toast the bun. Add ketchup. Spread it. Lettuce. Burger patties. Onions. Tomato slice. Cabbage. Cucumber. Spread mayonnaise. And it's ready. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.